Well, it was really the personal attention we got from right from the start, the full service, the DIY program, the ability to go from A to Z, from concept design, material selection, all the way through the build, and then into final touches on support where we had questions on certain aspects that were a little difficult. The cost savings that you get with a DIY approach, it's pretty much 50% or greater, and just another aspect is the family fun of the project and the sense of accomplishment. To have this and have done it with your kids and your family, and that was really nice. UglyDeck came through and getting us materials in a timely fashion, and even ahead of schedule. That was great because we lined up help and got it done. Coming out and doing the ledger board installs on the side of the house, and the helical pier installation that we needed for the framing, and then we took over from that point and did all of the framing and deck laying ourselves. So yeah, it was just a fun project, and a lot of support from UglyDeck. It took the fear factor out of the ledger has to be perfectly level, and that's the starting point. And then the footings, the placement of the footings, and with we call it our big tree there, Andre the Giant. We wanted to be very sensitive to the root structure and not to kill it as part of the putting in the footings. I had a family member, my brother-in-law, that was pretty skilled, so we had tools and a lot of knowledge, but certainly there was points in the framing and the deck laying where we talked to either Dave or Aaron at UglyDeck, and that helped a lot. They would be available on the weekend for a phone call. They would come out at periodic times, so a lot of good support.